Hello, my little learners. Welcome back to another fun English adventure with me, Miss Lily. Today's lesson is all about something super important. Introductions. Yes, we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves in English, just like native speakers do. So whether you're meeting a new friend, a teacher, or someone at the park, you'll know exactly what to say. And of course, my favorite student, Leo, is here with us again. Hello, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily! Hi, everyone! I'm so excited. I always get shy when I have to introduce myself in English, so I really want to learn how to do it the right way.
That's perfectly normal, Leo. Everyone feels a little shy when they meet someone new. But don't worry, after today, you'll sound confident and friendly every time. Let's start simple. When we meet someone, we usually start by saying hello or hi. Can you try that, Leo?
Sure. Hi, my name is Leo.
Excellent. That's perfect. You said it naturally and clearly. So, boys and girls listening at home, repeat after us. Hi, my name is, and then say your own name. Ready? Let's do it together. Great job! That's how you introduce yourself. Now, after saying your name, you can add something like, "It's nice to meet you." Leo, can you say that with me?
It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. So, a full introduction could be, "Hi, my name is Leo. It's nice to meet you." Simple, polite, and friendly. Now, let's imagine we're meeting at school. I'll be the teacher and you'll be the new student. Ready?
I'm ready, Miss Lily.
Hello there. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Leo. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Leo. Welcome to our class. That's how you can start a friendly conversation at school. But Leo, what if someone asks, "How are you?" What would you say?
I think I'd say, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Brilliant. That's exactly right. Let's say that together, everyone. I'm fine, thank you. And you? See how polite that sounds? That's because in English, we often show kindness by asking the same question back. Now, let's put everything together in a short conversation. I'll be me, and Leo will be Leo. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, my name is Miss Lily. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Leo. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Leo. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thank you. Wonderful, everyone. That's how you introduce yourself in English. You can also say, "Hello, I'm," instead of "Hi, my name is." For example, "Hello, I'm Leo." Easy, right?
Yes, that's not too hard. But Miss Lily, what if I want to ask someone else's name?
Excellent question, Leo. You can say, "What's your name?" Repeat after me. What's your name?
What's your name?
Perfect. So if someone says, "Hi, I'm Emma," you can reply, "Hi, Emma, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you." That way, you're being friendly and polite.
That sounds so easy when you say it, Miss Lily.
Practice makes perfect, Leo. Now, let's learn some fun phrases to make your introductions even more natural. For example, where are you from? I'm from Brazil. I'm from the Philippines. I'm from the United States. These are great ways to keep a conversation going. Let's try it, Leo.
Okay. Hi, my name is Leo. I'm from Brazil. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Miss Lily. I'm from England. Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
Wonderful. Now, to sound more natural, you can also use expressions like, "How's it going?" That means, "How are you?" in a casual way. "Good to see you." Or, "Have a nice day." Leo, let's use one of those in a mini conversation.
Okay. Hi, Miss Lily. How's it going?
I'm great, Leo. Good to see you.
Have a nice day, Miss Lily.
You too, Leo. Fantastic! You're getting so good at this. Now, let's talk about body language. That means how you move when you talk. When you introduce yourself, it's polite to smile, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Leo, can you show us?
Hi, my name is Leo. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect smile, Leo. Everyone listening, remember, your smile is your best introduction. Okay, let's play a quick repeat game. I'll say a phrase and you repeat it after me. Ready? Hi, my name is... Hi, my name is Leo. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil.
Great job! You're all speaking so clearly now. Before we finish, let's do one more full dialogue, but this time Leo will teach you.
Me? Oh, wow. Okay, let's do it.
Go ahead, teacher Leo.
Hi, my name is Leo. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Miss Lily. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from England. And you?
I'm from Brazil.
That's wonderful! Bravo, Leo, and bravo to everyone listening. Now you know how to introduce yourself in English with confidence, kindness, and a big smile. So, let's recap. When you meet someone new, you can say, 1. Hi, my name is... 2. It's nice to meet you. 3. How are you? 4. Where are you from? Simple words that make big connections.
Thank you, Miss Lily. I feel so confident now. I can't wait to introduce myself to my new English friends.
That's the spirit, Leo. And to all our listeners, go ahead and practice with your friends, your parents, or even in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't forget to listen to our next episode, where we'll learn how to talk about your family in English.
That sounds fun. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, my little learners. Keep shining and keep speaking English with confidence.